Volume. All my clients want it, but for most, it's a mystery. I've met so many women who've tried everything to get volume, but they're listening to the wrong people. What works on someone else's hair probably will not work for you. So today, I'm showing you the 7 best volume products on the market and what they do, so you can skip right to the perfect ones for your hair and get a mountain of volume. Or just a good amount. It's totally up to you, but it all starts by choosing the right shampoo. To even be able to get volume in the first place, you have to choose the right shampoo. Because if you pick the wrong shampoo, you've already lost, and the odds of you getting volume are 0. So what are the wrong shampoos? They're moisturizing shampoos, hydrating shampoos, and don't even get me started on repair shampoos. The reason those are all terrible choices is because they make your hair heavy and weighed down, which is the opposite of volume. Volume is big and high, but when your hair's weighed down, it's flat. It's like giving kids at a birthday party balloons filled with sand. It's just not what you do. So volume is only possible when the hair is light. And the lighter it is, the more volume you're gonna be able to get. The best shampoos for getting volume are
volume shampoos.
That's right, you may have guessed that. But here's what you don't know about volume shampoos. They don't actually add any volume. They work in a completely different way. Yes, you might notice a little more volume if you switch from a heavy shampoo to a volume one, but that's only because your hair isn't being weighed down anymore and it's just going back to baseline. I'll tell you something now that will save you hundreds of dollars on hair products, and it's that shampoos only do one thing. They get your hair clean. They do not grow your hair. They do not repair your hair. They don't prevent dryness, and they don't give you volume. If you ever say to yourself, I need a shampoo that does blank for my hair, and that blank is not getting it clean, you need to pause and say, this is a scam. This is false advertising. I'm not gonna buy this. Conditioner also only does one thing. It adds moisture to your hair. That's literally it. The only reason we use these volume shampoos and conditioners is because they're very light formulas, meaning they will not weigh your hair down. If you need help finding the volume shampoo soulmate for your hair, check out my recommended product list in the description. So now that you've got shampoo and conditioner that actually allow you to get volume, we can move to products. We're gonna start out with the classic here that specializes in overall volume. And what I mean by overall volume is that it gives volume to every part of your hair, roots, mids, and ends. But before I even tell you the name of this product, we need to go over something. I need you to promise me right now that you are not gonna buy every product in this video. You're only gonna need 1, maybe 2 if your hair is really stubborn. I'm gonna tell you the look that each of these products gives you, and you're just gonna pick the 1 or 2 that give you the look that you're going for. So this is Pureology Weightless Volume Mousse. The main benefit is you can put it everywhere, so this is great if you have thin hair and you wanna make it look thicker and fuller. But with volume, there are always trade-offs. The more of this mousse that you use, the more volume you'll get, but also the more you'll be able to feel the product in your hair. One thing you need to keep in mind with this is if you think you're just gonna rub some on your hair and do some silly scrunching thing like this, you're gonna be very disappointed because that is not hairstyling.
That's hair scrunching.
Yeah. There's a much more modern way to do this that gets rid of most of that product feeling and gives you a ton more volume, and it is called blow drying. Leslie was gonna let us down there, sorry guys, couldn't let that happen. I looked at you and you had nothing for me.
For blow drying?
Yes. It's pretty foolproof. This is one of the easiest ways you can possibly get volume. Just put it on your hair when it's damp, and then blow dry it, and you'll get very nice volume.
What kind of volume is this?
Very nice. Is that not what you meant?
No.
Leslie makes jokes she doesn't even get. I would rate this as a medium volume product. You get good volume, but it's not like Texas big crazy hair or anything like that. So you might find that you want something a little stronger. So this may not look that powerful, but this is by a brand called Design Me, and it's their Puff Me Volumizing Powder. If volume products were a street gang, this would be the guy they call when things get really bad. The leader would be like, hey, go get tiny, and then this guy would come out of the crowd. When you put this in your hand, you can see the powder starts to kind of turn sticky, and if you put this in your roots, it it will make them stick straight up. With a lot of volume products, you're trying to get your hair just to stay up, but it's falling back down because the volume product isn't strong enough. But with this little guy, you can pretty much do a beehive because when you put the hair up, it just keeps standing up. It does this anti-gravity thing. But remember what we said earlier, the more volume you get, the more of a gross, sticky, producty feeling you're gonna get as well. And since this gives massive volume, it also gives a massive producty feeling in your hair. It's so bad that you're really gonna wash it out the same day you use it. So the only time you want to use this is for big days, like you're getting married or you're doing your Christmas pictures with your kids or a date night.
I love date nights.
We love date nights. I rate this as crazy strong volume. Think huge, massive Texas hair. So let's go to something more reasonable that you can safely use for everyday normal volume. A great option for that is a blow dry cream. This is Redken Big Blowout, and you can use this to get volume with virtually zero producty feeling in your hair. What I recommend my clients do when they want volume is to start with this as a base. First, unlike most volume products, it has heat protection in it already, which is important if you're blow drying. And if you want volume, you should definitely be blow drying. It's also great because most volume products ruin the texture of your hair. But this one actually gives you extra volume and body while improving the texture of your hair, which you'll really need if you stack other volume products on top of this later. But for most of my clients, this gives them all the volume they need and they're good to go. So I would start here, see how things go, and then add something later if you need to. I rate this as medium volume with great texture. It's a massive benefit, no texture risk. This is where you should start. But if this isn't enough volume for you, you can always add another volume product to get more. One of those potential products is a root boosting or plumping spray. They go by a bunch of different names, but basically they are things with manual pumps that are not aerosols that you spray into wet hair before you blow dry. My favorite and the one we use here at my salon is Olaplex Volumizing Blow Dry Mist. Wait a second, did Olaplex name something with a name instead of a number to make it less confusing? Good job, Olaplex. I totally thought they were gonna name this like Olaplex 500. The before and after pictures here are absolutely terrible, but I promise you it looks way better than that in real life, so don't let it scare you off. Anyway, the directions on this usually say to apply it all over your hair so you use more and go through it more quickly, but I actually recommend only applying it to the crown of your head up here. The reason for that is you don't really want your hair to expand much on the outside, making it look wider anyway. I've been watching a show called Mobland,
And it's great.
and there's this actress on it with short hair, and every time I see her, I say to myself, oh my God, she would look so much better if her hair wasn't so wide. I actually Googled her and found pictures back when her hair was longer so it didn't expand out to the sides, and she looked so much better.
You were really invested in looking into this.
This pisses me off.
It bothered you, huh?
This really gets to me, yeah. Everyone has different preferences, but I call this the Bozo the Clown look. Volume on the left and right of your head is just not very flattering. That's why I like to focus volume on the crown of your head, but you can try it both ways and see what you like the most. Anyway, this plus the big blowout will give you medium to strong volume without ruining the texture of your hair, but I actually have something that I prefer even more than this. This is a root lifter. This is my favorite volume product to pair with big blowout. It's nice and strong, but it doesn't ruin the texture of your hair because it only goes on the roots, so your hair is still extremely touchable and soft. The only thing tricky about this is that it's applied differently. You're gonna make a few little temporary parts in your hair so that you can see your roots and get access to them, and then you're gonna spray the root lifter in there like that. Remember, only around the crown of your head and not on the sides. And what that does is coat your roots with an invisible layer of product, which I'll demonstrate here. Root lifter gets sprayed on your roots where it forms an invisible barrier at the bottom of your hair. Those barriers are so close together that they force your hair to go up and give you volume. Whereas if you didn't have root lifter, your hair would just fall flat. That means your hair's only option is to go straight up, which is what Leslie likes to call
Volume.
well done, Les. It is called volume. Here at my salon, we use Kenra's Root Lifting Spray 13 because they discontinued my old favorite one. grumble, grumble, grumble. Anyway, this today is the best root lifter on the market. I rate this medium to strong volume, but with great texture. I strongly recommend this plus your big blowout for most people, unless you have super, super limp hair. But I've saved something even more special for you up next. This is the junk food of volume products. Ideally, you want to get your volume from the blow dry. But a lot of people haven't watched this video and don't know how to do that. So what they do is they take the easy route.
I love the easy route.
People absolutely love sprays, specifically this Oribe dry texture spray. They say, can I just get a spray for frizz? Can I just get a spray for volume? Why don't all these magical products exist?
Yeah, give me some magical products.
There's no magical products. If you've watched your Disney movies, you know the magic always comes with a price. The price for this magic is getting a dirty, gritty feeling in your hair. I used to have a client who was in college that would use this every single day. But that meant she had to wash her hair every day because it made it feel so gross. And with all that washing and styling, the wear and tear of it, imagine washing your favorite pair of jeans every day. After 6 months, her hair was dry as a desert and breaking off everywhere. So if you use one of these, remember that it's junk food. You can't be reaching for it all the time. Remember, there's always a price to magic. All right, if you need help finding the perfect product matches for your hair type, check out my recommended product list. It has a hair type quiz and walks you through everything. Stay safe out there, Hair Rebel. Have a good one.